chaplains for the city of Harvey, and also I run one of the largest homeless organizations in the South Suburban area in Harvey, Illinois.
Can you tell me how important this is to the South Suburbs, bringing in all these people from Louisiana and helping them?
Well,
how are you participating in that?
Well, we are very excited about helping the displaced people, because today we had many homeless people was here with me today to help prepare to get ready for the displaced people. You know, we get our mind off our own problems when we help somebody else that has a problem.
It's amazing how many people are coming out to help these people.
Yes, it is. It's like over 500 people was here to help them. We've been here all day. You know, this is my third time here today, and we'll be here to welcome them.
Well, I imagine that many people appreciate your efforts.
Yes, and we'll be there counseling. If anybody need our help, we're available for them. Also, I have a facility that is able to house 50 more people. If
Can you see your beautiful face? June 2nd, June 4th.
That child's been on a long trip, huh?
Yes. Born June 2nd. Healthy as a pig.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful thing. We like them that way. The mom said she's eaten more than anybody all week.
How does it feel to be a volunteer in such a large effort? I mean, it must be so rewarding. Are you just so excited to be part of this?
It's so incredibly awesome. I actually wanted to fly to Houston, but my husband told me I couldn't save the world. So if I can save a little part of somebody's life here in my neighborhood, it's worth the effort.
Can you please say and spell your first and last name? Can you say and spell your first and last name?
Zabrocky. Ed.
His name is
Ed.
And you're the mayor of
Mayor of Tinley Park.
Hey, Mr. Mayor, can you please tell me how good of a thing this is for the village of Tinley Park to open its doors to these people who have no homes, who have been stranded, and the village of Tinley Park and all the volunteers and the citizens of the community come together to make this great place for these people to come to, and how you feel about that, and how proud you must be of all the people involved.
I'll tell you, it's really awesome. The last 3 or 4 days have been fantastic. We've had volunteers calling, offering help in many, many different ways. In fact, today at the Village Hall, we had to put on 2 extra people to handle all the volunteer calls that we're getting. We have a library that was an old library. It's literally totally filled with all kinds of gifts and things like that. People have volunteered, they've called, we're sending stuff down the Gulfport. Very, very proud. And
what would you say to anybody who wants to donate, let's say clothing, food, or other items?
Our biggest concern right now, quite frankly, is this. Everybody is very interested in helping right now. But what it's going to be like 3, 4, 5, 8 weeks from now. That's our concern.
If somebody has items like that and they want people who have just came in to have items like that, what should they do with those items?
Those items can be taken to any one of our police stations or brought out here, and they'll be taken care of from there.
And those items will go directly to the evacuees from...
Right.
So if there's anybody in the South Suburbs that's going to be watching this...
Just bring it out here, we'll take care of it. Not a problem at all.
Is there anything else you want to add to this incredibly great story that you're doing?
The one thing, as I said before, is I hope that same volunteer spirit that we have is still there 6 to 8 weeks from now, because that's when these people are really going to need the help and get down to the nitty-gritty.
Well, I really hope it's going to be.